y'all, this is Brandy from Southern Crafts DIY, and I want to say hey to all my returning viewers and welcome any new viewers. So if you follow me on social media, which the links are down below, you'll have seen a list of everything needed for today's project. You can also get that list on the community tab. So this is a super simple project that I thought would be so cool to do. I've actually seen it, well, something like this on one of the social media sites. I don't remember what it was. It's not exactly this same exact project, but it's pretty much the same stuff. But I thought it was cool. I want to make it for me, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make the project. So let's jump in and get started, and I'll show you what's needed. All right, y'all, so the first thing you're gonna need is a candle base, a candle holder base. I got this from Dollar Tree. It was $3. It's Halloweeny, that's why I did it. I love saying Halloweeny, so that's why I picked it. So you're gonna need that. Sorry. And I thought it was really cute. I absolutely love this base. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need one of these glass pumpkins for this project. All right. And you're gonna need a plate, a little saucer plate. Now, if we can't get that off, we might need wire cutters, so I'm just telling you. And then you're gonna need some glue. All right, so let's get to it. Oh, and it's a good idea, before I forget, to wipe the stuff down with alcohol just to get it clean before you apply the glue and get it situated. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. All right, now, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attempt to take this off. And this is why I said the wire cutters, just in case, but look, it slipped right off. So I can reuse this for another project, hopefully. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take the pumpkin and we're gonna glue it to the base of the, my brain's not working. The candle base. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, so what we're gonna do, like I said, is we're gonna glue the pumpkin to the base. If I can get my glue out, all of a sudden it's giving me problems. I'm using this flex glue because I just like how it works. I've used it many a times before, and it just works really good to hold stuff together. So for some reason, it's not really wanting to come out. I'm having problems, but I will get it out. So I'm just going around. And I'm just gonna put glue around me. Okay, so I put it around, and then I'm just gonna line it up with the snake head, how I want it to look. Try to get it as close to the middle as I can. And then I'm gonna let it dry, but I'm gonna go ahead, and what it is gonna be is just gonna be like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the plate. Now, I originally wanted a clear black plate, but I couldn't find it. This is why I said this is a super simple, easy project. But I think the solid black will work better. Let me stand up. Because it matches the base. You just go around, sorry, the edge. And of course, this is gonna have to dry overnight. So once I'm done, I will definitely show y'all what it looks like when it's dry. I'm super excited about this because I think this is gonna look so cool, y'all. Now, I'm not perfect on doing it straight in the middle. Sometimes I'm off center, but it's okay. I think either way, it'll still look good. Alright. Give me a second. And then you're just gonna put this on there and then just let it dry. And then, like I said, tomorrow I'll show y'all what it looks like. Alright, y'all, this is it. It is finished. I think it came out looking great. I'm just going to show y'all. It is on there nice and good. I absolutely love how it came out, y'all. I think this looks amazing. Alright, y'all. Well, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please, please, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below because it does help my channel to grow. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!